I'm Adam Kolkman, and I'm going to run you through the Nanlite Pavoslim 60C menus on the control unit. Power it on, and it automatically comes into whatever mode you were using last. So let's go back to the first mode, CCT mode. Your right dial is what takes you in and out, and clicking that will select your modes. We have our percentage for dimming. Go over to our color temperature. You can dial it anywhere from 27 up to 75. And then we've got our plus, minus, green, and magenta. Going plus adds magenta, minus adds green. Now if we do click on the right, it's going to cycle us through standard color temperatures. Head out to the modes again, go to HSI, hue and saturation, got our hues. If we click on the right, it'll run through the pre-programmed hues they have in there, and then you can dial in to wherever you want to be, saturation level, wherever you want it. And clicking the left button takes us down to 0%. RGBW, good when you want to dial in to match a specific color, and you have independent control of red, green, blue, and your white. Gel mode, and here you've only got two choices on color temperature. You either got 56 or 32, and you can roll through your gels. Pretty all-inclusive as far as what you can actually throw onto a light with an actual gel. And last is effects mode. I'm not going to go through each one of these effects. Started off on storm, but we've got the left scroll will scroll through everything. TV, paparazzi, disco, bad bulb, fireworks, explosion, welding, hue loop, CCT loop, intensity loop, flash, and then each one of these has its controls inside as far as adjusting it to however you like it. So that takes care of all the different modes we have in here. And menu. So in here there's not a whole lot, but a few things that you might want to look at. If you're running a board and you need to program this for DMX, all of that's in the very first menu, where you can put your address in, set all your settings for DMX. Menu takes you back out. Wireless control, you can turn on and off the different wireless controls. Bluetooth is what you're going to use with your phone. There is a Wi-Fi. I believe you need to have a particular access point from Nanlite to use the 2.4 gigahertz. And then you've got settings for Lumen Radio, and then you can just quickly turn all of the wireless on and off. The rotate screen, which I guess if you're going to be setting your ballast upside down, adjust your brightness. There's only 3 different settings on this, and turn off the backlight for the buttons. Language settings, not many choices there. And then we've got where you can go in and do your firmware update, and then you can reset everything to factory and your version. So you can check to see if you have the latest version or not. Basically, that is all of the menus. Now, a couple other notes up in the upper right-hand corner, you can see showing that it is plugged into AC power. If you do throw a V-mount or a couple of MPF batteries on here, it will show that it's on battery, and then it'll give you a percentage of how much is left. And beyond that, I think that pretty much covers everything inside of here. If you guys got any questions, let us know, and we'll try to answer them as soon as we can. Thanks for watching.